Hey guys, I just got my Google Pixel in the mail, and I'm going to do an unboxing video. It's my first one, so just got it here. I'm going to open it up. Now I had the Nexus 6P, which I really like. So I'm going to do an unboxing video, and then we'll do a video comparing the two after I used it for some time. So the packaging looks pretty nice. I got the Pixel XL White, 32 gig. Let's go and open up the box. It's much nicer packaging than in the past. Comes pretty clean. The white Pixel. Just a little bit of a glare. Let's see if we can fix that. So there we go. Let's go and take it out of the box. It's nice. Feels pretty nice in the hand. It does feel quite a bit thicker than the 6P. Here's just a comparison between the two phones. 6P on this side, Pixel XL. So as you can see, it's slightly thicker. It is also slightly smaller in comparison. Here's the two side by side, screen-wise. All right, let's see what else we got in the box. Got the standard SIM card opener with some manuals here. USB-C charger. This is kind of nice. It's a small USB charger. Let's go and open this guy up. You got the charger, you got the cable. Got another charger and a cable. That's nice. The Nexus 6P only came with one. So I'm going to go ahead and power this on and then show you guys what I think of that.